Hello everyone, welcome to DJ Styles. Today I would like to talk about tripod. What exactly is tripod? Tripod is mainly used for video shooting and even in low light photo shoots. So whenever we are taking a photo in the evening time, there are chances of getting blur images. To avoid that, we are using the tripod. And for shooting a video for a longer time, we cannot hold it in our hands or using a pistol grip. So in that case also we are using the tripod so that we can get very good videos without any shakes. So today I would like to talk about Digitek budget tripod. This is Digitek budget tripod and the model number is DTR 550LW. LW stands for lightweight and the body is made of magnesium. The maximum payload is 5 kgs and the weight of this tripod is 1200 grams, and you can use it for 360 degrees. Let me unbox it. I bought it from Amazon and Amazon has did a very good packaging. This is a waterproof case and you can put it in your shoulders whenever you are traveling. Open the zip. In most of the tripods we have seen that the bottom legs are made of plastics. In our case it's made of rubber and the plastic quality is fine with this tripod. There is a hook here so that you can put the carry bag, and if you don't have enough space to widen the legs of this tripod, there is an option here. There is a screw, you can tighten it so that it will get a better position, and there is a grab handle over here. So if you want to move it to somewhere with the DSLR on, it's very useful to move it. And there is a lever over here to change the position, and there is a bubble measurement to check whether it is in the right position or not. When it comes to right position, the bubble goes in the middle. And this is the head plate. You just open the lever, take out the head plate, and right now I am going to connect to a mobile phone with the mobile phone holder. This is a mobile phone holder. I am going to connect to this one. Make sure that the screw is tight, and I'm putting the mobile phone in this one and just release the lever, insert it inside and put the lever back on. If you want to increase the height, here also there is an option. You have to unscrew the screw which shows in the right hand side. The other lever you can use it to make it up, and once you decide the height, you can tighten the screw so that it can fix the position. So there is another screw over here. You can take it to 90 degree. So in this way also you can take the photo or video. See, this way also you can take the photo, and even this way also you can take the photo or video. So as I said that you can move it 360 degrees. So in this way you can take panoramic photos. So this is a budget tripod. So this is mainly for the beginners. Even the professional can use that. This can be used as a travel tripod as well. So this is mainly used for video as well as photos, photo shoot, and even for DSLRs, the camcorders, mobile phones, etc. So let me know if you have any suggestions. You can always put in the comment box. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for your time and have a good day ahead. Signing off, DJ Styles. Bye.